Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting ready for church.
So Blaze, want to show what you're wearing? So he's wearing this really cute cream colored shirt, very bright shorts, and he just has some socks on. We don't know if he's gonna take them yet or not.
Now we're gonna do my hair.
Okay, what do you want me to do with your hair?
Let's do whatever.
Like, do you want it to be flat? Do you want kind of like a shark in the front?
I just want a circle in the front.
Okay. Dang, your hair's so short now since you got your hair cut. Look back for me. Woo. Oh, bless you. Thank you for covering your mouth. Oh, that looks good right there, doesn't it?
Yep.
You like that right there? Or do you want me to fix it up a little more? Oh, bless you. Is that good right there, or do you want me to fix it up more?
Not good right there.
Okay, we're going to put a little bit of hairspray.
There.
And I'll cover your eyes. Whoa! Hairspray is really making this mad. There you go. Okay. Do we like the hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Bless you.
I'm gonna take my allergy medicine real quick. Guys, I'm about to take. I hate this medicine so much, but I'm gonna drink it for you guys.
Good job, good job, good job.
I'm gonna brush my teeth. Now we're gonna brush my teeth.
This is Blaze's favorite toothpaste. And it's really, he likes it a lot. Huh, Blaze?
Yep. So now what I put on my favorite cologne I have.
This is from Bath and Body Works. Huh, Blaze?
Yep.
Okay. You ready to rub it in?
Wow.
Go. With your wrist. Yep.
See you later, guys.